Back in Thailand, Foodie went ahead and created a second channel. This was going to be a reaction channel, so she could react to the reactors. In less than 24 hours, she had already scratched that whole idea and said that the second channel would be for cooking and everyday life. She changed the name of the channel to Everyday Miriam and hinted that it would be a cooking show with a costume and all. Everything else on that channel would be related to her life as a revert. Here's what she had to say about it, back when she was in Thailand.
But I'm going to do content like cooking. I want to have like a foodie beauty channel. I think channels that are really eclectic are like less successful. And I would like to try to like do more like cooking and developing skills like that for myself while doing videos, making really nice recipes like my own way and not just some generic, or like I want to like incorporate my own touch to food and have Salah try a lot of food. Maybe at the end of every video, babe, I can have you come in and try it and be like, give your thoughts. I can't wait to cook. I want to make cacio de pepe. have, you, have you ever heard of that? Cacio de pepe.
Foodie and Salah have been back in Kuwait since October 10th, and reality hits pretty hard. Foodie seems to be battling a cold, and Salah is almost nowhere to be seen. You can hear him from off-screen every now and then. All we've seen so far is a couple of mukbangs and a rager, one that she's already deleted. Despite what she said in Thailand, we haven't seen a single grocery haul. We haven't even seen her make a sandwich. Instead, it's business as usual, with takeout after takeout after takeout. Here's what she had to say about it.
So I've been anticipating cooking. I cleaned my home. In between, like, when I have bursts of energy, I would clean. So my home is clean. The kitchen's ready. I have my new apron and chef hat. But I just haven't felt well enough to go out and stock up the whole kitchen. And Salah's offered to go, but I don't want to put that on him. I need so many things. I don't think he'll understand Worcestershire sauce. Little things I need. I don't know. I don't want to put that on him, that pressure. It's definitely something I know the ingredients I need for what I want to cook, etc., So I have a menu made, grocery list. So maybe in a couple of days when I'm feeling a bit better, inshallah, sorry for the mess, then I can go.
In my opinion, Foodie simply doesn't want to put in the effort. She's acting as if we don't know that she can order her groceries online. We've seen her do it plenty of times. Her nearby grocery store is Lulu Hypermarket, and Salah could easily go and pick everything up. I put together this sample card of everything she would need to make poutine, well, without the cheese curds, of course, and her church basement spaghetti. Everything she needs is right there, waiting for him to pick it up. I can't quite figure out why she thinks we don't remember any of this. It's almost as if she believes that if she says it, it's true. She also has stuff from Thailand that she still hasn't edited yet, so I'm sure she's feeling overwhelmed by that.
Like I said, I'm so behind on editing. When I'm in a certain mood, I just want to stare. Jack Nicholson in The Shining when it's Saturday and he's just looking into space.
And then, of course, ordering is easy.
Look at this food. Super cheap, fresh, delicious kebab with Bukhari rice, which is an Afghani style rice, and yogurt and fresh bread. And they give you, look at this fresh bread. It's still hot. The Middle East has the best food. I don't care what anyone says. And yogurt. So, yeah, I'm back home.
So in conclusion, don't get your hopes up too high if you're waiting for cooking content. We've all seen this before, and in the year that she's been in Kuwait, we haven't really seen her cook much. I'm not saying she won't cook. I'm just saying if she does, I'll be ready.
I miss cooking. Actually, I never thought I'd say that. So this trip was beneficial in like eating out to death because like, you know what I mean?
So in the meantime, I'm just like sleeping, resting, cleaning up, that kind of thing.